Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous episode, we learnt about the legend of Miyan Tansen. We learnt about how he created the incredible Miyan ki Malhar, which is a rag related to the monsoon season. In today's episode, we will be covering the various different ragas associated with the monsoon season. Let us go to the first raga of the day, which is Raag Megh. Megh means clouds, generally clouds which bear water. Hence you can see the reference to the monsoon in the name of the rag itself. Let us see how it sounds. This is Raag Megh. It is an Audava Jati Raga, which means the raga has 5 notes. The notes are Sa Re Ma Pa Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Ma Re Ni Re Sa. The nishad is komal. All the rest of the notes are shuddha swaras. Let us now go to the next raga of the day, which is Raag Miyan ki Malhar. We studied the story in the previous episode, and today I will be playing the raga for you. You will see how heavy the raga sounds and how it is apt for torrential rain. As you can see here, the aroha is not a straight aroha like the Megh Raga. The aroha goes Sa Ma Re Pa Ma Pa Ni Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Ma Pa Ga Ma Re Sa. Ragas which do not have a straight aroha and avroha are called vakra ragas. Vakra meaning twisted or contorted in Sanskrit. So Miyan ki Malhar is a twisted raga since the aroha and avroha do not go straight. Another thing to understand is the phrase of Komalni, Dha and Shuddhani is attributed as the Malhar Anga. So all the Malhar Ragas somewhere would have the reference to this phrase of notes. And at the same time, the Pa Komalga Ma Re Sa phrase comes as the Kannada Anga. All the ragas having similar phrases fall into the Kannada family of ragas. Now let us see how this raga sounds. That was Raag Miyan ki Malhar. You can see how this Raag is profoundly more complex than the Megh Raag. That was the genius of Miyan Tansen. The Komal Ga which comes to the Kannada Ang gives an unsettling feeling because of the torrential rain. At the same time, the Komal Ni, Shuddha Dha and Shuddha Ni phrase always gives hope in this period of complete gloominess. This is the brilliance of Miyan Tansen. We have covered just 2 ragas from the very many ragas of the family of Malhars. Some of the popular ones apart from Megh and Miyan ki Malhar are Megh Malhar, Gaud Malhar, Jayant Malhar, Ramdasi Malhar, Mirabai ki Malhar, Nat Malhar, Shuddha Malhar, Savani Malhar and Sur Malhar. All of this I will definitely cover in due course of time. But that's all for today. If you like the content that I create, then I request you to consider supporting me through memberships on Patreon. Patrons get exclusive benefits like transcripts to the videos, more compositions, exclusive downloads, and an exclusive Google Meet session once a month. Or else you can consider making a one-time contribution through any of the sources mentioned here. I am there on PayPal too. Link is in the description. If all this is still too hard, please like the video and leave a comment down here so that I can engage with you. Make sure you share it with someone who is learning the flute. It will definitely be helpful to them. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to study something new, it will give me immense joy. See you again next week with another video. The Silent Flautist signing off today.